Let us talk about infertility. Okay, so infertility means unable to produce children. So it is noticed that many couples are infertile. It may causes due to many reasons, which may be physical or contingent diseases like drug, immunological, or even physiological also. It is called the infertility. So it may be of two kinds, first primary and secondary. So under the primary infertility is found in those couples which are unable to pregnant. Okay, and second infertility is found on those women which was pregnant, but after then they are also unable to produce child. Okay, so these types, there are two types of infertility. Okay, so अब will have infertility in male and infertility in female. So if infertility is caused in male, so amount of semen decreases and the number of the motility of the sperm, like semen of the fertile male is about 3 to 4 ml per ejaculation, so it get decreased. Now, or we can say second is blockage or absence of vasa differentia or vasa efferentia, any two type. Or alcoholism is also है ना, alcohol, drinking of alcohol, so these will also also affect in their infertility. Okay, so if we'll talk about infertility in female, so deficiency functioning of hypothalamal pituitary couple by the thyroid or the adrenal dysfunctions, right? Adequate growth of the functioning of corpus luteum, है ना, that hormone, or fallopian tube fails to pick up the ovum, or fabulous uterus, है ना, और defective vaginal growth like arteries and transverse spectrum. So these, there are different types of infertility in male and female also. Okay, so we have many techniques regarding to those couples which unable to produce child. So assisted reproductive technique, that is ART. So it is a group of technique which help in the reproduction in infertile couples. In these method, oocytes from the ovary or sperm from the testes and retrieved, so bringing about artificial insemination and development of the embryo. So how it get developed? Okay, so various methods of the ART are: first IVF, that is in vitro fertilization by the help of zygote, also zygote intrafallopian transfer; GIFT, that is gamete intrafallopian transfer; AIT, artificial insemination technique; IT, that is intra-auricular insemination; ICST, intracytoplasmic sperm ejection. Okay, so we may have many types of what techniques, okay, related to the infertility. Okay, so we'll talk about the IVF, that is in vitro fertilization. So in this technique, fertilization is carried out in a glass container outside the body of the mother and embryo is developed. This embryo is then transferred and implanted into the uterus of the mother. This technique was developed by Patrick Stephan, okay, in UK in 1978. Okay, so this is the vitro fertilization. We'll talk about zygote intrafallopian transfer. So in this technique, fertilized zygote up to 8 blastomere is transferred into fallopian tube to implant in the uterus. So in this way, we having many types of techniques, and at last the gamete intrafallopian transfer. In this technique, in this method, after receiving the oocytes and sperm, both are transferred into fallopian tube of the female through the laparoscope, है ना. So fertilization process takes place within this fallopian tube, means inside the fallopian tube. Okay, so these are the kinds of techniques we have. Now at last we'll talk about the test tube baby. As you all know, you have heard about the test tube baby. So some women are unable to have a normal conceptions, so such women are suggested to have a test tube baby. The process involves the removal of unfertilized egg from the reproductive tract and keeping under the sterile or aseptions condition. The ovum is then fertilized with a sperm of her husband outside the body, means not inside her body, outside the body first. Okay, after that the zygote is allowed to develop up to 32 cell stage in vitro, right? Then put into the female reproductive tract, means after completing 32 cells, up after that will put into the female reproductive tract for implantation, right? So the pregnancy start and further development of the embryo takes place in the womb of the mother till birth. Such baby is called the test tube baby, right? So in rare case where the woman is unable to have normal conceptions, so mother need to use to bring up the zygote cell birth, right? Means these cell will take birth outside the body and after will kept inside the body. So this is the great achievement in the field of science. In India, the first test tube baby was named Indra, and this technique is now flourishing in our country. So this is the last topic of your chapter. So here we having your NCERT question answers. Okay, thank you.